So let's take a look at the exit ticket you guys did yesterday. In front of us, we have a coordinate plane, and I have to label some of our missing pieces. Now, what I remember from all of our lessons is that the point 0, 0 is our origin. This is where everything starts. So I can label it origin. Ooh, there it is. Now, our origin is where both of our lines start. And in this instance, our lines are our x-axis going to the right and our y-axis going up. And normally x and y's are labeled at the end, but this graphic is pointing to the number line, the arrow. So let's take a look. Point A is going to be our up and down line, our number line going vertically, which is our y-axis. So your answer should be y-axis. Take another look. Now it's asking what B is. B we labeled already as the origin, point 0, 0, where both of the lines begin, which makes C our x-axis. We know that because it's the number line going side to side, because we always move x and then y, over and then up. Let's take a look at our next problem. And this one, it's asking for the x-coordinate of our triangle. So let's take a look at our triangle. It's right here. And I know that this is the x-axis on the bottom. So to find the x-coordinate, I just take my point and I go straight down. And I see that it hits 3 on the x-axis. So my x-coordinate equals 3. Now, some of you guys did the proper way of labeling this point, and you guys called it 3, 4. That is also correct, because that is the actual coordinate. It's 3 on the x-axis and 4 on my y-axis. 3 over, 4 up. However, in this instance, we're just looking at that x-axis. If you had just put 3, that's totally fine. If you had put 3, 4, that's also fine. Now we have to look at the y-coordinate of the diamond or the rhombus. So our rhombus is right here. To get to the rhombus, I go over until I hit 8. So now my x-coordinate is 8. And I go up until I hit 3. And I can do my dotted line over, and it's 3. So my y-coordinate is 3, but I will accept it if you put 8, 3. Y-coordinate equals 3. Okay, now let's take a look at this next one. True or false? The x-coordinate of the coffee cup is, well, it's blank there. How am I supposed to know? Let's go look. Is 4. So we're trying to see if our coffee cup has an x-coordinate of 4. So let's take a look at our coffee cup right here. Now, I'm going to go along, start at my origin, move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I moved to the right 5. So my x-coordinate, where I hit on the x-axis, is 5. And if I go up 1, 2, 3, 4. So my y-coordinate is 4. So this answer is false. My y-coordinate, where I hit on my y-axis, is 4. But my x-coordinate, or where I hit the x-axis, is 5. Now let's take a look at this one. It says, use the picture 3, so the one above. The y-coordinate of the heart is, I'm not sure why it's not showing up right now. The y-coordinate of the heart is 3. So let's look at our heart picture. Heart is right here. Now let me find the coordinates of our heart. Start at the origin, I go 1, 2. So I know that my x-coordinate is 2. Let's find my y-coordinate. I go 2 and I go up 1, 2, 3. And I can go over to make sure, yep, I hit 3 on the x, or on the y-axis. I apologize, the y. So, in the picture, the y-coordinate of the heart is 3. True. Our y-coordinate is 3. Now, let's take a look at our last answers. We need to figure out where the snake is. The entire coordinate pair using x, y. So let's take a look at our snake. Our snake is located at, again, I start at that origin, point 0, 0, that bottom left hand. To get to the snake, right here, I'm going over 1, 2, 3, 4. Lines up, we hit 4 on our x coordinate. Now let's see how high up we go. Remember, high is y. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to draw my line over and check. It is indeed 6. So my snake is located at 4, 6. Now a lot of you guys wrote it as a complete sentence using that sentence stem, and it counted you wrong. You're not wrong. I deeply apologize. That is a mistake. You guys should have gotten full credit. I apologize, 5th grade. You guys should have gotten full credit for saying the snake is located at 4, 6. Let's look at this one right here. According to the picture number 4, the cat is located at, use a parentheses. So now we have to find the cat. Our cat is right up here, it looks like. So again, I'm going to do the same thing. Our cat. I'm going to go along the x-axis until I hit where the cat intersects. And it looks like it'll be 7, so let's check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Our x-axis hits at 7. I go 7 over from the origin, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 up on my y-axis. So my point is 7, 8. The cat is located at 7, 8. And once again, you guys could have written a complete sentence for your answer. The cat is located at 7, 8. And I was just accepting 7, 8. So nice job if you wrote a complete sentence. Let's take a look at our final coordinate plane. Again, it's only going up in tick mark increments of 1. We have our origin down here. And I have 4 sports balls. So let's see. The football is located at what point? This is my football. So let's go through and find out. Start at the origin. I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I believe it's at 8. Let me double check to make sure. Yes. So my football is at 8, comma. Now we need to figure out how tall up it goes where it hits on our y-axis. Over is x, high is y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I'm going to double check that's a 9. I don't know why I curved it. And indeed it is a 9 over here. Okay, so our football is located at 8, 9. And our last question is asking us to figure out where the basketball is located. The basketball is right here. Start at 0 again on my x-axis. I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to figure out how high up I go. 1, 2. Double check. Yeah, I hit 2 on my y-axis. So my football is located at 3, 2. Or my basketball is located at 3, 2. I apologize. My football can be found at 8, 9. Over 8 up 9. Over 3 up 2.